Good morning, children. Welcome to class 11th biology once again. I hope you all are perfectly alright and stay home. Children, in a previous video, we were discussing about chapter 5, that is morphology of flowering plants. And in the first video, we have discussed about roots. Okay, now today in the second video of this chapter, we are going to discuss about stem. Okay, so children, do you know what is the function, what are the functions of stem and from where the stem are originate? The stem that is originate from plumule of dicotyledons seed. Okay, a seed that have two cotyledons from the region of the plumule, the stem are originate and they perform the various tasks, like for example they provide strength to the plant, they help in transportation of food and water because the xylem and phloem tissues are present in the stem. Okay, they also bear the leaves, flower, fruits and branches. So various functions they have. One by one we will discuss each and everything, and also we will discuss about modification of stem. Okay, so start. So children, see on your screen, that is the stem is the ascending part of the axis bearing branches, leaves, flowers, fruits, and the stem develops from plumule of embryo. Okay, from the plumule region of the germinating seeds, the stem are originates and they bear nodes and internodes. Okay, like for example, this is a stem. So on different distance or position, they bear nodes. And from these nodes the leaves are originate, the leaves are formed. Okay, the nodes that is found on the stem region and they develops the leaves. Okay, the distance between two nodes is called internodes. Okay, clear? I repeat once again, the stem bears nodes and internodes. The region of the stem where leaves born are called nodes, while internodes are portions between two nodes. Okay, between two nodes, the portion that is known as the internodes. Okay, children, clear? So the stem that is green when young and later it become woody and dark brown. The main function of the stem is spreading out branches, bearing leaves, flowers and fruits, and it also conduct water, minerals and photosynthesis. Some stem are modified to perform the various tasks, like for storage of food, for support and protection. Like for example, in potato and ginger, the stem are modified to store the food. In cucumber and watermelon, the stem are modified in tendrils for climbing, and in Bougainvillea, a name of plant, the stems are modified in thorns and that help in defense. Okay, that protect the plants from animals. Okay, so modification, we can see that in modification, as I told you, the stems are modified to store the food. Okay, example potato, ginger, turmeric, jamaican, colaxia. The stem of these plants are modified to store the food. Okay, second, some stem are modified in tendrils like cucumber, pumpkins, watermelon, grapes, and these tendrils help in climbing. Next, the some stems are modified to become pointed thorns, and these thorns help in defense. Okay, they protect plant from browsing animals. Okay, children, some more example is here: opuntia and euphorbia. The stem of opuntia and euphorbia, they become flat and help in photosynthesis. Okay, because they contain chlorophyll and they use their chlorophyll in the process of photosynthesis. So the various task, various function, we have seen that of the modified stem. You can see in the picture now. The first one, that is storage. Second, B, help in support, tendril. C, protection, the thorns are developed. And D, that is vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation means from the parts of the plant the new plant can grow. Okay, this we have also seen in the stem. So children, today in this video we have finished about stem. I repeat once again, children, stem, that is ascending part that bearing branches, leaves, flowers and fruits, and the stems that are developed from plumule of the embryo of germinating seed. Okay, the stem bear nodes and internodes. The region of the stem where leaves are born are called nodes, and while internodes are the portion between two nodes. Okay, children, the stem bears buds which may be terminal or axillary. Stem is green when young and later it become woody and dark brown. Okay, children, function of the stem, that is they provide strength to the plant. Okay, second, they help in transportation of food and water because they contain the vascular tissues, xylem and phloem. Now children, do you know which tissue transport the food and which tissue transport the water? Xylem basically transport the water and phloem transport the food. Okay, vegetative propagation is another property of the stem. Like from if we cut the sugarcane stem into the number of pieces, the each piece have the capacity and capability to grow into the new individual. Okay, and also They store the food that we have seen in the potato ginger jamicand. Okay, they provide support, protection, support we have seen in the form of tendrils, and defense we also seen in thorns like bougainvillea. Okay, modification that we have discussed, uh, storage in the form of tendrils, in the form of thorns. Okay, so I hope you have learnt properly what we have discussed today. So the two topic we have taken of this chapter, number one that is roots, and number two that is stem. The two topic we have finished in chapter number 5. Okay, I hope all the things are clear with you. If you have any problem regarding the roots, regarding the stem, we will discuss in the live classes on Monday. On Monday we have live class. I will send you a message before the class, prior one day. Okay, before one day on Sunday I'll send a message to you, that is you have a class on Monday, so you all will join that class. Okay, so thanks for your kind cooperation. Have a good day.